Hi everyone, I am back with another video and today I'm here to show a crafty dare that is on Instagram, hosted by Tina, who's telling thank you here on YouTube. And um, so this week we had to, it was free choice, okay? Um, so the three items were free choice, and something you haven't crafted with um, or created with. So I was like, oh my gosh. I sat here and I was thinking, oh, that is going to be hard because I think I have crafted practically everything. You know, from laces and fabrics and paint and glitter and um, glimmer mists and embossing powders and coloring and watercoloring and I think I've covered every crafting genre. I want to say I may be wrong in that analogy, but so I asked Tina, I was like, could it be a tool that I haven't used yet? Because I think I crafted, because I've done crocheting, I've done mixed media. Well, I attempt mixed media. Um, I've watercolored, I've stamped, I've die cutted. I don't know what else there is, but a tool that I haven't tried, that I bought and that I haven't tried. Um, so I bought the Happy Jig, I want to say, gosh, last year, maybe the beginning of the year before the pandemic. Um, so I wanted to try it out. Um, and I made this little coffee mug that I'm going to be sharing what I created with this after this video. So, but I wanted to let you guys know that this thing is hard. I mean, it's not hard to put together, but these little pegs, like, see, I'm going to, these pegs that go in these little holes, they're hard to punch. I mean, to put in there. They're like those little, what do you call those? Night lights. Remember when we used to use the little pegs in the holes, and then you'd light it up, or you turn on the light, and then in the dark it had some kind of shape or scene or something. That's what this reminds me of, or even Battleship. Well, anyway, I just want to let you guys know, if you have this tool and you haven't tried it yet, you have to snap it in. I don't know if it's because I've never used it and it was hard to take out. Like right now, it's fine. I can get it up. When there's no other pegs on the board, when there's a bunch of pegs, like this coffee one, um, let's see, I'm going to show you, or even this one. You see all these tiny little pegs here? They are hard to get out. So what I had to do, I had to go into my jewelry um, bag and bring out this pliers, and I had to pop them. I don't know if I'm weak in the fingers already. I'm not that old. But these were hard to take out. Even these really these little bitty ones. And I was like, oh my God, when I get older, I'm not going to be able to do that. Um, but I do, I do like it. It's super cute, you know? Oh, anyway, so I'll be back with my finished project for this week's Crafty Dare. I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, I'm back. So I created a 3x3 card with this metal embellishment from the Happy Jig. And it's a coffee mug. And like I said before, it was easy to put together, it was easy to follow, it was easy to wrap the wire around it. However, it was not so easy taking those pegs out. But I love how it turned out. Isn't it the cutest? So this is a 3x3 card. So the wire, um, it is pretty cool. I like it. I glued this down with E6000. I added a charm or a little dangle to the coffee mug. And, you know, coffee and friends go together. I've met some really awesome people on here. And before my kids had virtual learning, we used to go online and chit chat with coffee and just to say what our day is going to be like, or if we have doctor's appointments, or if we, you know, have lots of things to do that day. We just sit and chat. Sometimes we craft. Well, most of the time we craft. But this reminded me of my time with these ladies, and they are wonderful ladies. I am so glad to be a part of that group. So this is my little crafty dare. Isn't it cute? I love it. So if you guys want to join in, or if you want to be dared, come and join us on Instagram. Contact Tina, who's Tell 'em Thank You on Instagram, and then she'll add you to the group. I mean, I think she may do it every week. I'm not sure how that is, but contact her via Instagram. Um, so I want to thank everybody for stopping by today. It's Friday. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.